hackathon project, we have selected the problem statement 1, automated OMR evolution and the scoring system. Basically, the problem lies on automated OMR evolution. In the real time, there is a very lot of thing happening in this, lot of problems facing in this solution. As OMR sheet evaluates is very time consuming, or even human miscounts can happen in this. So this is a real time problem that we are facing in our society. So we our teammates sort of finding answer for this question, and we have solved for this. So basically, why is the thing happening here? In the thing, as that many teachers or the students are facing a many problem in checking the OMR sheet evaluation and accuracy of the thing. So basically, our project lies on the system. It takes a scanned or photographed image or of an OMR sheet as a input. It is then uses the image processing and computer vision technology to automate the detects the sheet boundaries, aligning the even if the image is still squeezed. The system identifies the student details such as either the row number and the answered bubble. By comparing the file bubbles to the predefined answers key, it is instantly calculate the answers. Finally, we generate a report for the students highlighting the correct and the incorrect answers, and can even produce a summary report for the teachers with all the answers scored. So here we are taking of 100 questions. So we have 5 subject. Each subject contain a 1 to 20 questions. Like 5 subject we are containing. So totally 100 questions we have taken. And the version which the sample set are given the version about only version A and version B. So we are taking a 2 versions of a thing. And accuracy is the main matter out over here. And I can explain your tech stacks technical stack that has been used. So basically, firstly, utils.py. Why is utils.py used? Means we can import CV and import numpy as np, and here the load images which we load the images from the path file, and we are given the save images, so we can also save the images from the path file, and we can normalize the images. So basically the normalization of images is done in this file. Nextly, coming to our OMR detection file, here we specifies everything. So we are importing the cv2, import numpy has np, and we're importing the json file also, as we are provide the key answers in the json file, and we are importing the normalization file over here. We are getting that file to here, and what this file actually does. So basically it starts with the bubble detection. So the it takes the input sheet that we are given in our project. It takes and detects the bubbles and all the things, and even extracts the answers from the bubbles. And basically, after extracting the answers from the bubbles, it just compares with the key answers provided to our OMR sheet. It compares the key answers with the OMR sheet and produces a final output. Then, where is the answer? All this being stored. It is stored in the database that we have created. Here we created a database called student.db, where it initializes the database to the thing, and we have created a 5 subject, basically subject 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we can also commit the data and save the results over here, and all the data are being saved or stored in the database. We have also added the option called delete the result, where the option where the object finds the particular id or a person name, and it just deletes it from the database. And coming to the app, mainly what that the app does. Here app is a thing that we import a streamlit as st, where st is a front end, where streamlit is used for front end development. Here we initialize the database, and we are created with a tab 1, tab 2, and everything. The graph will be provided, everything will be provided out over here, and ranking system will be automatically generated as weird, and total marks of a subject will be provided with the chats. So it is easy to understand for everyone. And now yeah, basically the dashboard code is provided out over here, and we have requirements for this project is like OpenCV, Python, NumPy, Pillow, Streamlit, Screenlit, Learn, ScalePy, and Plotly. So I can show you our project. So after demonstrating our project, Here I'll be demonstrating a project which we have created. Uh, so we have to run the program by Streamlit run web app slash app.py. Yeah, after running the program, we'll be getting we'll be connected to a thing, local host. So yeah, here is the output: automated OMR evaluation and the scoring system. Here basically we are given the basic requirements what we have to be entered. The student name. The student name I'll be giving Surya, and the roll number I'll be giving 25. For example, you can give any of the thing that you can want, and we can also upload key images which we obtain from a sample data or OMR sheet that is provided in a sample data, and the version we'll be selecting as B. You can select both A or the B. And submit and evaluate is a button that we have created to submit and evaluate. After clicking the button, here we'll be getting the OMR sheet that we have provided to our project. Here we'll be getting a score, subject wise score. So subject wise, one to the accuracy is very low maintained over here because we have only limited number of sample data sets given. If this project would have run for real time, or if we have any thousand number of sample data set, then our accuracy will be increased. As it very low data sets provided for us for this is very low thing happening. And we can also come to here for dashboard. So dashboard performs a total marks per students given, and total marks can be provided here from total marks of our students can be provided here, and subject wise marks also can be provided in this chart. So it is easy to understand for the user and user friendly application. Here we have each subject different codes, different thing we have. And here we have a student table review, the final, which is a clear and very efficient to find out the actual code is about. So here we have rank, student name, student ID, versions 1 2 3 4 for subject, and total reviews we are given. And it also gives us the everything, and if the result is above the 35, then gives us the pass marks. If it's below the 35, then it gives us the fail marks. As we have all below, it gives us the fail. We can also download the file as CSV file. And coming to a delete student, we can enter the student ID 25. The student ID will be deleted successfully. If we enter any wrong which is not entered in the thing, then that would give us a invalid input. So basically this project is all about the automated OMR thing. Accuracy is kind of low provided because the sample sets are very low, that we have only 40 sample sets that are provided. If we add many 5,000 to 6,000 sample set, our project with accuracy will be in very high. And we are sure that our project will be good when we have more number of data sets provided. But here the limited number of data sets we are provided, so we are getting this, and we hope our project meets your requirement. And hope this is very useful for your society. Thank you.